Bells, welcome back to another video. So today's video I am serving you this princess vibes. Like this is royalty vibes, you know what I'm saying? So I created this look for you guys. It was quick, simple, very easy, and I know I say that in all my videos, but really the looks are simple. I love you, thank you for watching, and let's jump right into it. I'm going to start off with this matte bone shade, and I'm just going to put that on the brow bone area. Next up, I'll go in with this shade right here using my Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to put that in my crease. I'll go in with this shade next from the same palette and the same brush. To cut my crease, I will be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and I'm going to do that using my Colourpop E6 brush. At the lid, I'm going to take this color right here. It's an off-white, and then this nude skin tone color right here. This one is from the 3502, the other one is from the 35B. I'm just going to mix both of them together and apply that on my lid. For my eyeliner, I will take my Hushbeautyng Lip Palette, and I'm going to use an angle brush like this and take this purple color right here to line my eyes. It's a cream lipstick. And then we're going to go over it with this purple shade right here. Going to my mascara, we're using the Benefit Day Real. I'm just going to coat my lashes, my top and bottom lashes with this. Lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil and just put a little bit of that on my waterline, because we're going to go in with that same purple lip color, and I'm going to use that on the waterline as well. For the lower lash line, I am taking the Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going back into that brown we used in the crease. I'm just going to run it on my waterline. I'm also going to go in with that same purple shade, a little bit of it, and run it along my waterline as well. For a pop of color and to open up my inner eye area, I am taking this very vibrant shimmery yellow color. I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. For my lip color, I'm going to outline my lip using this color, and then I'll go in with the purple shade we used as our liner for the entire lip. To give my lips that matte darkened purple look, I will go back into this purple shade we used to line the eyes with a small fluffy brush, And I'm just going to set the lip with the eyeshadow. So I just popped my false lashes off camera. I'm going in with my Shayla X Colourpop highlighter in the shade Pose. So guys, excuse the fact that this video is a bit dark and gloomy. It's raining outside and everywhere is just gloomy and dark. I don't know. This is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed filming it as usual. Like, I love what I do, so I enjoy it. If you found this video interesting, fun, exciting, do give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know your favorite part of the whole video. The eyes, the wing liner, the lips. Let me know your favorite part. Thank you for sticking with me. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye. It's raining outside and everywhere is a bit gloomy and dark, so it has affected my lighting and all that. So this video looks somewhat darker than it normally does. And I'm just going to set the lip with the I don't know, I probably would refilm the video. For now I am not sure, but